Good afternoon everyone. Welcome back to statistics class. So in previous class I have discussed some concepts on vital statistics, that is first chapter, and it also takes the 18 marks. Okay, here in that chapter we are already discussed some concepts. Those are the methods of vital statistics. The methods of vital statistics are the registration method and census enumeration method, and I have also explained the measurement of population, uses of statistics, and I have also explained the concept of fertility, fecundity, and measures of fertility. Okay, and measures of fertility are, there are four types. In that first one, crude birth rate, and second one, general fertility rate, third one, age specific fertility rate, and fourth one, total fertility rate. In that we are already discussed three of them: CBR, GFR, and ASFR. In that first one, CBR is nothing but it is the simplest method of measuring the fertility and also the average number of live births occurring to 1000 individuals in a year, where CBR equals to the number of live births in year divided by average population in the year into 1000, where CBR equals to B by P into 1000, where B is number of live births during a year and P is average population in the given year. And I have also explained the merits and demerits of crude birth rate. And second one is GFR, where GFR is nothing but general fertility rate. General fertility rate is defined as the average number of live births occurring to 1000 women of childbearing age in a year, where childbearing age is what here 15 to 49 years, where GFR equals to, for calculating the general fertility rate we are using the formula is what here, GFR equals to the number of live births during a year by total number of women of childbearing age in the year into 1000, where GFR equals to, symbolically we need to write that the formula when we are calculating the general fertility rate is B by summation of I takes the value 15 to 49 female population into 1000, and have also explained here the merits and demerits of general fertility rate, and I have also explained the some problems on GFR and CBR. So now the third one is age specific fertility rate. So age specific fertility rate, it is a measurement of fertility for specified age group of females of the childbearing age. Okay, here we need to consider the some ages is between 15 to 49, that is childbearing age, and its the formula is the number of live births in a specified age group in a year by total number of females in that particular age group in a year into 1000. And also here we need to use the some quinquennial ASFR, that is nothing but the ASFR which are computed for age groups of with 5 years each are called as quinquennial ASFRs. So, and also I have explained the merits and demerits for ASFR. So, and I have also explained the some problems on ASFR whatever they are given in textbook. So now the next fertility rate is total fertility rate. So the total fertility rate is used for the comparison of fertility of different population. So, total fertility rate is denoted with the TFR, capital letter TFR. So the definition of TFR is the total fertility rate is used for the comparison of fertility of different populations. So TFR is the main method to compare the purpose of comparison of fertility rate of different populations. So if we know the ASFR is nothing but age specific fertility rate. Here we need to take the total sum of the ASFR. By using the sum of ASFR, we need to calculate the TFR here. And if we don't compare between the two or more localities in another measures of fertility, then learning fertility is measuring the two or more population by using the TFR. So we need to learn fertility rate. So which fertility rates which is helps to compare to the two or more localities. So TFR is one of the important measure of fertility rate for comparison. So it is used for the compare the two or more populations. So it is very simple. The formula is TFR equals to summation of I takes the value 15 to 49 into age specific fertility rate. Here the total fertility rate equals to the summation of the age groups between 15 to 49 to ASFR. The ASFR is nothing but what here? The number of live births of female population divided by the total number of females of the age specific age group into 1000. And also another the formula we are using finding the TFR here, where TFR equals to I into annual ASFR, and it is used when in a year all the age groups are in a same and also constant ages between the 15 to 49. It's just taking the consideration to the age specific fertility rates of the whole year, and also get them all, add them, and you get the TFR here. And also it's very simple. Another formula is TFR equals to I into annual ASFRs. Usually we would be given the age of the size is 5. So when we calculate size of 5 ASFR using quinquennial ASFRs, we are already studied about it. When quinquennial ASFRs given, TFR will be given this formula. So TFR equals to 5 into quinquennial ASFRs. So there is no symbol, so we are using the symbol, that is TFR equals to 5 into summation of quinquennial ASFR. So now we are explained to the merits and demerits of TFR. In that first one, it is used for comparing the fertility rates of different population. For example, we need to consider the different cities populations. When we get the how much the population increasing in different area for 1000 women. Okay, here we are considering two cities like Hubli and Gadag. When we are easily compare the population growth rate for two cities by using the total fertility rate. And second one, it gives due to weightage to age composition. Okay, because of here we are considering the age is between 15 to 49, hence it gives a weightage age composition. And third one, it considers only a female population of childbearing age. Okay, here we are using the only a female population, not a male population, because here we need to consider the some age and sex composition in that fertility rates. Okay, because of in GFR, general fertility rate, age specific fertility rate, and also total fertility rate, we are using the only a female population rate. Okay, hence it considers only a female population of childbearing age, that is 15 to 49 years. Okay, and next comes demerits. It does not indicate the rate of growth of population due to births. And second one, it is based on an assumption that all women survive throughout the childbearing age. Okay, next we move on. The sum solve problems whatever they are given in textbook. So now I need to explain these problems one by one. And that first one, the quinquennial age specific fertility rates for women of childbearing age group of community are 25, 60, 70, 40, 20, 12 and 5. Compute total fertility rate. Okay, here they are already given the quinquennial ASFR. Just you need to take the sum of the quinquennial ASFRs. Okay, here the ASFRs values are age specific fertility rates are 25, 60, 70, 40, 20, 12 and 5. Okay, the TFR formula is 5 into summation of quinquennial ASFRs, age specific fertility rate. So you need to take the sum of the age specific fertility rates. Those are 5 into 25 plus 60 plus 70 plus 40 plus 20, 12 and 5, and multiply 5, you get the 1160 children per 1000 women. Okay, here we are finding the total fertility for 1000 women. Okay, next one, next problem, the quinquennial age specific fertility rates for women for childbearing age group of community are 25, 114, 150, 110, 80, 30 and 4. Compute TFR. And this problem is same as previous problem. So apply the same procedure, you get the answer here, where TFR equals to 5 into summation of quinquennial ASFRs. So add them, 25 plus 114 plus 150 plus 110 plus 80 30 plus 4 into 5, you get 2565 is the total fertility of children per 1000 women. Okay, and next one, third problem is calculate the total fertility rate for the following data. Also calculate the average number of children born to women of childbearing age. Okay, here the women of childbearing age is nothing but 15 to 49, and also you need to find here the total fertility rate. You know the formula, the total fertility rate is nothing but I into the summation of, when they are given age width between 5, you need to use the formula 5 into the summation of quinquennial ASFR. When they are given the age groups is age groups of some particular ages between the width is different, when we are using the formula where TFR equals to summation of I takes the value 15 to 49 into summation of ASFR. So they are given already some data age groups, those are between 15 to 19, 20 to 24 up to 49, and also they are given female population in between ages 15 to 49, and also they are given the number of live births of the age groups of 15 to 49. So by using these data, we need to calculate the total fertility rate and the average number of children born to a woman. Okay, so now we are using the age groups, female population, number of live births. We need to find the ASFR. Okay, by using the ASFR formula, age specific fertility rate formula, you need to calculate the sum of the ASFR between 15 to 49, taking the sum of ASFR and multiply the 5, because they are given the width in between the 15 to 49 is all ages between the 5. So you need to apply the formula where TFR equals to 5 into summation of quinquennial ASFR. So just because of you need to take the formula 5 into summation of quinquennial ASFR. First you need to calculate here by using the number of live births and female population. Find the ASFR. 60 by 1000 into 1000, you get here ASFR is 60. By using the same procedure, you get 200 by 2500 into 1000, you get 80. 390 by 3000 into 1000, you get 130. And 110 by 2200 into 1000, you get 50. 50 by 800 into 1000, you get here 62. 10 by 400 into 1000, you get 25. 0 by 200 into 1000, you get here 0. Take the sum of the ASFR and just multiply the 5. You get the total fertility rate for 1000 women. Okay, and next you need to calculate here the number of children per woman. Okay, per woman means only one woman. Okay, you need to calculate the average number of children per woman by using the formula TFR, total fertility rate, divided by 1000. Okay, here we are dividing the 1000 because we are finding the 2037.5 is nothing but it is the children for 1000 women. But we are using this formula TFR by 1000. We need to calculate the average number of children per woman. Okay, just you need to substitute the TFR in given formula 2037.5 divided by 1000. You get here 2.03, that is 2.03% of average number of children born to a single woman. Okay, that is nothing but the 2.03% average number of children born to a single woman. Okay, next move on to the second problem. From the following data, calculate total fertility rate. Okay, also the same procedure you need to apply the second problem. Here they are already given age groups, female population and number of live births. Just you need to, by using the number of live births and female population, you need to calculate a specific fertility rate. Okay, age specific fertility rate, the formula is nothing but it is the number of live births specified age group in years. Okay, for example 15 to 19, the live births is how much here? 1000, and divided by, in between the age 15 to 19, the female population is 50,000 into 1000, you get the age specific fertility rate, that is 20. Okay, 1000 by 50,000 into 1000, you get here 20. And same, you need to apply the same formula for the all the data in between 20 to 49. Okay, 7,000 divided by 60,000 into 1000, you get 116, and 8,000 by 40,000 into 1000, you get the 177.77. 5,000 by 40,000 into 1000, you get here 125.00, and 900 by 30,000 into 1000, you get here 30. That is age specific fertility rates for specific age is 35 to 39, and 40 to 44, you get here 4.00, and 45 to 49 is 2.50, and take the sum of, add those values, you get the sum of the ASFR. By using the sum of the ASFR, you need to calculate here the total fertility rate for per 1000 women by using the formula 5 into summation of quinquennial ASFR, age specific fertility rate for specific age. Okay, here add them the age specific fertility rates 20 plus 116 plus 177 plus 125 plus 30 plus 4 plus 2, you get here 475.93, then multiply 5, you get the total fertility for per 1000 women. Okay, and for example in previous problem we are calculating the average number of fertility rate for a single woman is 2.03. Here you need to apply that formula, average number of children per woman equals to TFR by 2379.65. You get here also the 2.37 is the total average number of children born to a single woman. Okay, so guys, you need to solve some problems whatever they are given in textbook exercise part. You need to solve the all 4 fertility rates related problems and submit tomorrow. So we'll explain the next concept and next class, that is reproduction rates. Okay, we are using reproduction rates. Again we are studied the 2 methods. Those are gross reproduction rates and net reproduction rates. We'll explain the next class. Thank you.